guys.
Tarlac, nandito nga tayo sa may TSU. So ayun siya. And then ito naman yung pinaka-intersection dito sa tapat mismo ng Tarlac State University. So ngayong araw guys, papasyalan natin yung Arraboo, Kebab, Shawarma, Biryani. So nag-o-offer sila ng mga Middle East cuisine. And then ito naman yung papuntang Magic Star. So malapit lang naman siya magmula dito sa TSU. So kailangan nyo lang i-google map siya guys. Ang dali lang naman siyang puntahan. And then yung pinaka landmark niya bago kayo makadating ng diwa ng Tarlac or Tarlac Capitol, and then sa may Maria Cristina Park. So bago kayo makarating doon, makikita nyo na sa may right side itong Arraboo, Kebab, Shawarma at Biryani. So yung pinakakulay ng store nila guys, di kayo malilito kasi kulay orange. So ito na guys, yung Arraboo. So halos tapat lang siya ng ayun, ng diwa ng Tarlac. Yan, Arraboo. What's up Tarlaceños? My name is Alvin Bautista of Explore in Tarlac. So for today's video guys, andito tayo sa Arraboo, Kebab, Shawarma and Biryani. So dito lang yan sa San Vicente, Tarlac City, Tarlac. Check natin yung pinakaloob ng Arraboo. And bago tayo pumasok no Tarlaceños, so ito yung mga partner delivery courier nila. So gusto nyo magpa-deliver at nag-crave kayo ng mga Middle East cuisine or mga Arabian foods, so pwede kayo magpa-deliver sa GrabFood, Foodpanda, and then ito yung mga PH. Nag-open pala si Arraboo ng 11 AM until 10 PM. So pasok na tayo guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung pinakaloob ng Arraboo. So ito guys, ayan. Good afternoon sir.
Welcome.
Welcome to Arraboo.
Thank you for coming here. Hello guys. You guys are gonna see a lot of wonderful food that you never tasted before.
Yun Tarlaceños, bali dito na tayo sa loob ng Arraboo, Kebab, Shawarma and then Biryani. So ito si Sir Timo, papakilala sa atin yung mga products nila and then mga new products dito sa Arraboo. Ano to sir?
This is the kebab hummus plate. We have here beef kebab and we have chicken kebab. Comes with grilled vegetables, pickles, fries, and
then hummus.
And you have 2 pieces of cheese sambosa.
Oh.
And you have also pita bread.
Yeah. And then about this one, sir?
Here, this is the signature chicken biryani.
Biryani.
Yes. Comes with grilled chicken, biryani rice, French fries, pickles, and special salad. Our salad contains tomatoes, onions, and parsley.
So ito naman, sir, ano to?
Alright, this is the new product exclusively.
The Gourmet beef. Biryani. So, kaka-lunch lang. Ito nga bagong product nila.
This is yung bagong product natin.
Ako ba yung unang makakatingin?
You are the first one actually.
Wow!
Nice. So in Tarlac, we introducing now the Gourmet beef biryani. Some of our old customers knows what is this because we used to offer it for trays, pre-orders. Now you can avail for solo orders.
A la carte. Okay. So, pero lahat to sir, Middle East cuisine.
Yes.
So, wala siyang halo. Talagang pure Middle East.
Pure Middle Eastern cuisine.
Arabian foods like
Arraboo.
Arraboo. That's why it's Arraboo. So next, papakilala sa atin ni Sir Timo.
Yeah, this is chicken kabsa, the most famous dish in Saudi Arabia. It contains chicken and raisins and caramelized onions also. And the difference is the kabsa and the rest of the biryani, it has that zesty, lemony, tomato, mixed with spices flavor. And it comes with special sauce. We all know the kabsa comes with the kuz. The kuz is here. This is a spicy special for the kabsa. Alright,
and then about this one?
Alright, so this is garlic sauce.
Garlic sauce?
Yes, we have a hot sauce. This comes with every meal.
So next, itong shawarma.
Yes, and we have here, this is the rice meal. We have also sandwich meals. So we have also here the chicken shawarma. You guys see it? Includes here inside chicken, French fries, and garlic and pickles.
So, French fries.
Yes,
the ordinary shawarma without French fries.
Exactly. If ever guys notice, most of the shawarmas contain salads and stuff and vegetables. No, the really original chicken shawarma, the classic one, it includes fries, pickles, and chicken. That's it.
That's the classic one.
Yeah. Right, and we have also here the beef kebab.
Oh.
This is the beef kebab sandwich. It has also hummus base inside, the beef kebab, and special salad. Also, this is a new product, exclusively also for Exploring Tarlac.
So, una tayo makakatikin dito, Tarlac.
So this is what a lot of people were asking about for almost 2 years when opening Arraboo, if we have beef shawarma. So beef shawarma is different. This is a gourmet beef shawarma. You guys gonna love it. It includes tahini sauce and super soft beef and caramelized onions and pickles.
So yung mga dating product nila is yung mga classic shawarma. So ito na, yung bago, yung gourmet beef shawarma. So yung matikman, yung bagong products nila, itong gourmet beef biryani, and then yung gourmet beef shawarma. So punta tayo dito sa Arraboo. Malapit lang sa TSU, guys. Next one.
Alright, we have here also the beef kebab biryani.
Kebab biryani.
So yeah, it also includes French fries, pickles, and special salad. The ingredients of the chicken kabsa is different from the chicken biryani. So this is, we grill the chicken, okay, and then we include it with the rice and everything. Here, we cook it together.
Content trivia lang about doon sa ginagamit nilang biryani rice. So before siguro napanood nyo na sa mga previous vlog natin. So itong biryani rice, yung tinatawag nilang basmati rice or Indian rice, right?
Yes.
Mahaba siya compared dun sa mga rice natin. About this one, sir?
Yes, and we have here other appetizers. We have the chicken and cheese sambosa. You can avail both combo or single orders. So we have it's sambosa, not samosa.
Sambosa.
Yes, in the Middle East. The difference is between the samosa and the sambosa. Samosa is an Indian way of cooking it and making it. This is a Middle Eastern way. So it's kind of the sambosa, the Indian one is heavy.
Okay.
Yeah, it's more like vegetables in. Here we have cheese.
Cheese inside.
Yes, you can try it.
Okay.
This is the one with cheese.
All of this.
Yeah, this is cheese and we have also chicken. Light, you can eat
ang
as
sarap.
much.
Crunchy, and then pag kinain mo, nagmimelt sa bibig mo. Ang sarap niya, guys. And then bite size lang siya, hindi siya mahirap kainin talaga.
Right.
So pwede mo siyang papakin kasi finger foods yung nature rin talaga.
Now, actually, every order here, our meals includes sambosa, cheese sambosa, and a drink. So every time you appeal for a meal, you get sambosa with it.
Oh, nice.
Right.
How many?
And it includes 4 pieces.
4 pieces?
Yes, 4 pieces of cheese sambosa.
So yun guys, bali titikman na namin itong mga foods dito sa Arraboo. Ang una natin titikman Tarlaceños itong gourmet beef biryani nila. So exclusive para sa akin lang to. So ito na, titikman na natin. Paano siya? Lalagyan natin ng garlic sauce?
You can go ahead, try it this way. You can go with garlic sauce if you want.
Let's try it with the garlic sauce.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, so you can eat it.
Tender siya. Hindi siya matigas, malambot.
Yes, that's the thing about it.
And then, meron siyang grilled sibuyas.
Yeah, it's actually caramelized onion.
Caramelized
Yeah.
onion.
Caramelized
That's it.
sibuyas. See, wala siyang sinabi. Alam mo
Speaks
naman
there.
sarap.
Alam mo talaga pag kumakain ako ng mga Arabian foods.
Oh.
Parang yung pagkasubo mo ka lang, napakaraming spices and herbs talaga sa bibig mo.
Okay.
Alam mo yun na after kong kumain ng mga ganitong pagkain,
Yes.
mamaya lang magka-crave na ako. Hindi kinabukasan talaga hanapin mo.
That's the point. Exactly. That's the point.
Nice.
We make the Middle Eastern food is you get the spices, you get the flavor, you get everything, but we try as much as possible to make our food easy for the people to can order every day. You know, some people get confused with, Middle Eastern, it's full of flavor and spices. No, that's not true. We have a lot of meals that you can eat every day. And that's what I'm bringing here.
Galing kayo ng mga Middle East and then nagka-crave kayo ng mga ganitong pagkain. Madali lang naman siyang hanapin. Dito lang sa Tarlac City, guys.
Okay.
So, try natin itong spicy.
Yes.
Pangayaw kong kainin na.
Hindi, kaya mo, masarap siya.
Pampagana. Kasi spicy, syempre pang appetizer talaga pag chili sauce na ganyan, di ba?
Tama. Kung lalagyan mo marami, masarap siya. Pwede mo tignan yung flavor ng food. Hindi siya naalis ng flavor ng food. So, if you can go for the chicken siya.
Kabsa.
Alright.
Oh, tender din siya. What do you call this sauce
This
again?
is called the kus.
Pukus.
The kus.
Dakus.
Yes, go ahead.
So may siya, may pasas, sibuyas, syempre yan. Basmati rice.
Diba? Oh,
Sarap.
Iba mo.
Sarap guys. And then, napaka-tender nung Yung importante di ba? Napakasarap sa bibig pag yung chicken talaga lutong-luto sa pinakaloob. Tapos yan, last itong dakus.
Yes.
Dakus.
Yes.
So, grind tomato.
Yes.
Siyempre mga Pilipino, yan, mahilig din sa tomato.
Oh,
so
tama.
perfect na i-partner dito. So nagko-complement yung lasa niya dun sa mismong kabsa natin. So yung Tarlaceños, dating in-offer nga nila itong chicken biryani. So ito, dagdag sa a la carte nila itong gourmet beef biryani nila. So ito, grill.
Yeah, this is grill.
Grill.
So you get to have the grill flavor together with the chicken. Masarap siya. Like it has different lasa.
Yeah, kung gusto nyo lagyan ng
garlic
sauce.
Always garlic.
And then syempre tayo kahit medyo spicy, gustong-gusto natin ng spicy.
Okay.
Namiss ko talaga yung Oh.
Sige ba?
Parang ayaw ko nang tumigil eh. Sarap guys. Kebab almost plate, so ito yung kebab nila. So chicken and beef.
Yes, we have
Right.
chicken and we have
And then may sambosa sila. Ang sarap ng sambosa. And then syempre may french fries and then pickles and then tomato. So itong mga pickles sir, pwede natin i-dip din.
You can just change appetize if you want
So
to eat
it's
it.
appetizer.
To change the taste while you're eating. And then you can get head back again.
Okay. Beef kebab.
Yes. You can if you don't want to eat too much bread, you can just take your chicken, give it the hummus, right?
And then in the bread, bread.
You can use bread. You can use your fingers. This is so nice if ever you order your food and you just wanna you can get French fries, you can get the vegetables here and then dip it to the gut with the hummus. Enjoy your meal slowly or one by one as they
Yeah.
say, right? Nice. Okay, what do you want to start with? The chicken, the beef kebab,
The
new one?
Yeah,
Alright, go
exclusive
ahead.
for us again.
Yes.
The
Right.
gourmet beef shawarma. And then Tarlaceños, kung mapapansin nyo yung pinaka-itsura ng shawarma nila, compared dun sa nabibili natin shawarma na napakalaki. So pag kinain mo siya, napaka-messy. So ito, talagang pag kinain mo siya, saktong-sakto lang sa bibig. So hindi ka mahirapan kumain.
Right. We have also, actually, we have sizes. For example, it's only available for the beef kebab and the chicken shawarma.
Okay.
We have jumbo sizes for that. But for this one, it's only the solo. The regular one.
Lagyan natin.
All right. It has a balance of the beef, yung caramelized onions, and tahini sauce.
Tahini
Yeah,
sauce.
this is only this sandwich has tahini sauce. Most of the rest of the set, this has hummus. This chicken has garlic, and this
Tahini
one
sauce.
tahini sauce. Yes.
Okay.
This is here we have, guys, the chicken shawarma. See, guys.
Oh,
Okay. Alright, go ahead. I'm gonna give you this.
this is the
chicken
with French
shawarma.
fries.
Yes.
Garlic sauce.
Alright. Actually, the way I do it is this way.
Okay, dip.
Yeah, dip it.
Just dip it.
Dip it.
A lot of garlic sauce. So kung gusto nilang spicy, pwede rin siya. Pwede ako sa spicy. Oh.
I always eat it. I basically 3 times a day.
A day? Oh?
I always,
The chicken?
Yeah, the chicken. You know, I just want something healthy and fresh. By the way, all our orders is all fresh and healthy. By the way, no colors, no stuff. For example, it's grilled chicken, it's French fries, and pickles and garlic. No other stuff. So basically, even our
Just
bread,
like that.
even our bread has no sugar. I'm conscious about my health, so everything here I do, I make sure as much as possible it's healthy.
And then this one, the beef biryani.
Yes, this is the beef kebab biryani.
Beef kebab biryani.
Yes, the difference. So when you order here, there's 2 beef biryani. We have the gourmet beef biryani and we have beef kebab biryani. Yeah, the grilling is the usual what we do every time back home in Middle East. Middle Eastern world is super big. We have different countries' cuisines. Like we have the Syrian, we have the Persian, we have the Arabic one, the Middle East, in Saudi Arabia, Qatar. You know, we have different varieties, but we all together call Middle East.
So let's taste it.
Yes, go ahead.
Lagyan natin ng French fries.
Yes.
And
Garlic.
then garlic.
Yes. Garlic is most important. You know,
Yeah.
all our customers always ask for extra garlic, and we always give them garlic.
Because yung garlic alam ko nakakatulong sa mga iba hypertension, di ba?
Like, it's
Pagpababa ng
healthy.
hypertension. Then lagyan natin ng spicy syempre. Gusto ko spicy.
Nice.
And then kung gusto mong lagyan ng syempre napaka-healthy talaga yan, no? May sibuyas at kamatis. And then syempre yung biryani rice.
Alright.
Last bite.
Yes. You know,
That guys. Sarap. Try that one.
this is one also, the beef kebab shawarma. Sorry, the beef kebab wrap. Beef, I get confused.
Beef kebab
Yes.
wrap.
Yeah, people call it shawarma, beef kebab
Because
shawarma. Because yung beef shawarma is the gourmet beef shawarma. This is beef kebab wrap. So yeah.
Kebab na binalutan.
Yes.
Wow.
You guys. Right.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Siyempre dip natin. Dip.
Yes.
Parang gusto mo araw-araw ka na lang dito. Personally sir, yung mga ayan, Arabic food. Nung first time ko sila matikman talaga, nagustuhan ko. Pero mo
Okay.
naman kapag Kapampangan, Pilipino,
Yes.
kaya G-Bay pa lasa natin. Pero pasok yung lasa ng mga yan, Arabian food sa atin guys. Yung iba kasi ayaw nila mag-try. Iba-iba. Akala nila iba yung lasa.
Huwag ka magkatakot.
Totoo yun.
Masarap yan, hindi siya naman ano.
Sarap.
Kasi narinig ko naman mga Arraboo food kasi maraming spices na ganyan-ganyan. Hindi tama yan. Meat lang yan. Just go eat guys. Totally, you're missing out. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this, and we guys are inviting you to Arraboo to enjoy all our Middle Eastern cuisine with the specialty and the gourmet dishes. Thank you.
Yun na, bali nag-open sila once again, 11 a.m.
Yes.
to 10 p.m.
Right.
And then guys, kung gusto nyo pa-deliver sa mga partner delivery courier nila, andyan si Grab, andyan si Panda, andyan si Mangan PH, and then si Tarlacenyo.
Tarlacenyo,
And
we are
then,
in Foodie Hub,
Foodie Hub.
and Tok Tok.
Yun guys, no? Yun, kung nag-grade kayo, download nyo yung mga apps na kung saan kayo comfortable din sa mga nabanggit namin. And then syempre, check nyo na doon yung mga in-offer nilang Middle East cuisine. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, Exploring Tarlac and Arraboo, Kebab, Shawarma, Biryani, and Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and everywhere, even TikTok.
And then, huwag niyo kalimutang i-share ang video nito para malaman ng ibang ka-Tarlacenyo natin dyan na meron nag-offer ng mga Middle East cuisine dito sa Tarlac City guys. Malapit na malapit lang sa TSU. So ito yung Arraboo, Shawarma, Kebab, and Biryani. So until our next vlog, peace out!